why did you create this project?
हांगकांग में ये होता है कि वो पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट को ज़्यादा इजी लेते हैं। जैसे अगर आप सोचोगे कि यार अगर बस का ट्रांसपोर्टेशन ज़्यादा इजी हो तो मैं अपनी कार निकालना थोड़ी ज़्यादा प्रेफर करूँगा।
Yes.
अगर मैं बैठना चाहूँगा उससे ट्रैफिक कम होगा। अब जब 40 जने बैठ के जाएंगे बस में तो 40 कार्स कम निकलेंगी, जिससे पॉपुलेशन वगैरह सब वो होगा। तो सर इसके लिए हमने सोचा कि अगर एक नॉर्मल आदमी क्यों नहीं ट्रैवल करना चाहता एक बस में, क्योंकि एक तो क्या बोलते हैं टाइमिंग्स, प्रॉपर सैनिटाइजेशन वगैरह और मतलब पॉल्यूशन भी आजकल लोगों का गुटखा वगैरह थूक जाते हैं, ऐसा होता है। ओके सर, तो सर इसके लिए हमने सोचा ये ई बस, ई कंडक्टर बस। सर फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ये इस बस में हमारे कंडक्टर नहीं होंगे, ये कंडक्टर फ्री होगी। और सर ये
मेन आउटकम्स आपकी है कि इसमें कंडक्टर नहीं
ऑटोमेशन के लिए सर इंडिया अभी बहुत चल रहा है, इसलिए ऑटोमेशन हमारी ज़रूरत है।
You are using a digitalization.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Ever since this COVID pandemic has happened, so we have been having the stigma that face mask will protect us from COVID or any other pollutions. So what happens with the face mask is that the face mask is made up of material polypropylene. It's a plastic material. So that plastic material will cause pollution to the earth. So what we Team EcoSol have found a suitable solution to upcycle this face mask into a sustainable footwear, a slipper. So we made several trials and R&D for making a suitable slipper. So this is a trial one. We just burned the polypropylene and we found that it can melt. And the trial two is that this polypropylene material can be forged and compressed to make a sheet plate. So this can be used as a furniture or tabletops.
This can have multiple use.
Can it be used for the roof
Yes.
sheets? We are using this vinyl sheets or
Yes, sir. It has a 130 megapascal.
130
Megapascal.
megapascal. How it means?
It means like
megapascal. What does it mean?
like 130.
It's quite
tons.
strong. It's not little, you know. But
Okay.
it's,
If you bind it with some other cement or material, it can withstand a huge amount of heat.
Okay.
So, but that's not a problem statement because that's not a solution. That's already existing. But what the solution is that it's a novel and innovative solution of slipper. So the slipper we use is made out of rubbers.
You have chosen only one application as a slipper.
Yes, sir.
Nothing that's beyond the range.
Yes, sir.
Why did you create this project?
So our idea is local bus tracking system. So
Okay.
it has a feature. We have used GPS module and Node Arduino board. The GPS module takes an input from the satellite, sir. By using the Arduino board, we decoded the latitude and longitude of the NEMA code, sir. So we send the latitudes and longitudes to the database of the Flutter, sir. And we are designing an app, sir. By using the base in the app, we can see the source and destination, and we have some features like an alarming alert, sir. So if the bus is nearby 500 meters, when we pin to that bus, it will give an alarm, sir. So we'll come to the bus stand.
Yes.
And we have some more features.
What is the major outcome of this project?
So we can increase our local bus tracking, local bus public transport method, and it means we can increase public transport more.
Our objective is to suggest a fast disposal method for this problem, to decrease the use of incinerators and landfilling method of disposal of biomedical waste, and especially for this COVID protection equipment. We have to make an economical material and a versatile material for making this method a fast disposal method. We are also focusing on eco-friendly. That means our disposal will be without harming the nature. There is a tagline of our team, that is, we are Team Kavach, we heal the nature and build the nation.
As we all know that when the COVID-19 had started, there was a lot of need for the PPE kits, masks and other goggles, face shield and everything else. So as the need increased, there was a lot of dumping also because of the use. And then not only that, there was a lack also of PPE kits during the whole situation. So what we are proposing is a reusable method to reuse the PPE kits. Basically, our project will help the environment and keep the cost as minimal as possible and use it as long as we can. So that's the main aim.
सबसे पहले तो सर ऐसा सिंपल थिंग नहीं है पराली को डायरेक्ट प्लेट्स एंड कप्स में बना लेना, ठीक है। सबसे पहले तो हम लोग को अदर ब्रांड्स की तरफ देखना है जो चीज़ ऑलरेडी मार्केट में प्रेजेंट है, इन्वायरमेंट फ्रेंडली कॉज के लिए काम कर रही है, ठीक है। तो हम लोग पेपर कप्स की तरफ देख सकते हैं। पेपर कप्स इन्वायरमेंट फ्रेंडली होते हैं, ठीक है। पेपर कप्स कैसे बनते हैं? पेपर के सेल्यूलोज से। पेपर का सेल्यूलोज अगर हमको पेपर कप्स बनाना है तो हमको पेपर का सेल्यूलोज चाहिए, अगर हमको स्टबल का प्लेट्स बनाना है, कप्स बनाना है, तो हमको स्टबल का सेल्यूलोज चाहिए। अब हम लोग सेल्यूलोज तो कर रहे हैं, आखिर ये सेल्यूलोज है क्या? सेल्यूलोज को समझने से पहले सर सेल्यूलोज हम लोग पाएंगे कैसे? सर जो स्टबल रह गया है हम लोग किसान से वो स्टबल लेंगे, कुछ कॉस्ट देंगे, जैसे 1.26 kg पर 6 रुपये उनको देंगे, जो कि किसानों को एम्पावर करेगा। अब सर मैं आपको सेल्यूलोज कन्वर्ट करने का तरीका बताता हूँ। सेल्यूलोज जो है सर सबसे पहले अपने वेयर हाउस में लाएंगे। वेयर हाउस में सर उसका फर्स्ट स्टेज क्या होगा? सर वॉशिंग को 2 स्टेज में हमने डिवाइड किया। सबसे पहले उसमें कंकड़ पत्थर अलग कर लेंगे, देन सॉइल जो प्रेजेंट है उसको अलग करना है, ठीक है सर। अब उसको हम लोग कुछ सॉफ्टनिंग रिएजेंट ऐड करेंगे, कास्टिक सोडा एंड स्टार्च। कास्टिक सोडा एंड स्टार्च के बाद जब हम उसको ग्राइंड करेंगे तो वो एक सेल्यूलोज का फॉर्म लेगा। सेल्यूलोज का जब फॉर्म लेगा, अब हमको करना क्या है, हम लोग का मोल्डिंग मशीन है, मोल्डिंग मशीन में सेल्यूलोज डालिए, अपने डिजायर्ड शेप के हिसाब से प्रोडक्ट को पाइए। सिंपल सा कॉन्सेप्ट है, मोल्डिंग मशीन में सेल्यूलोज को डालिए, अपना डिजायर्ड प्रोडक्ट पाइए। पेपर कप्स वाले सब लोग यही काम करते हैं।
होगा ना वो कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग नंबर की बस अनफोल्ड होगी, बाकी फोल्डेड पोजीशन में रहेगी सीट्स, फिर वो अनफोल्ड होगी तो उसी को अलॉट होगी, बाकी सब वैसे के वैसे रहेगी।
तो सेंसर लगा दीजिए, जैसे ही बैठेगा तो कंट्रोल रूम को पता चल गया कि वो सीट में
उसमें ये था कि कल को कोई वजन रख दे, सामान भी रख दे, देन प्रेशर विल कम, दैट्स व्हाट।
As you all know, COVID was in early 2019. There is no COVID. We used to travel in public vehicles. But after COVID-19 situation, we are not traveling in public vehicles. Instead, we are using private vehicles, because of which traffic is increasing. So what we are trying to do is, we have to manage the traffic, and we have to travel in public vehicles so that financially they are strong. So for that purpose, we are going to increase the frequency of public vehicles, ma'am. How we are going to increase the frequency of public vehicles is, even though we increase the number of vehicles, there will be a problem that there must be a traffic jam. So directly what we are going to do is, we are directly going to manage the traffic system, ma'am. Control the traffic system, where when the vehicle comes, we have IR sensors, ma'am, which are present 250 meters away from the signal, which detects the vehicles. We have 3. In this situation, we are only placing 3, ma'am. For our future thing, we will use more IR sensors for a higher development, ma'am. Here we have 3 IR sensors by which we can detect the traffic, mild traffic, average traffic, and heavy traffic. If the situation was heavy traffic, that condition will be sent to the before traffic itself, signal itself. This, the condition will be detected and sent to the previous traffic itself, and the traffic members, they deviate the route, and so that the traffic will be reduced. And in future also, what it does is, there will be a clearance of the traffic, right? And this is for normal vehicles, ma'am. If there is a case of emergency vehicles, like in the case of ambulance or say fire engines, we have to take them more quicker, right? So for that we have incorporated RF transmitters and receivers, ma'am. RF transmitters and receivers are how it works is, there also we are working the IR sensors. Here the receiver is kept 200 meters away from the signal, ma'am, and the transmitter is kept in the ambulance, ma'am. When transmitter and receiver come in contact, they get coupled and the signal is transmitted to the signal, ma'am, by which the normal working of signal is changed to green, and all the other sides of the junction is changed to red, ma'am, so that they can easily move forward, ma'am.
The options we have are basically 2. Paraffin wax, which is also known as honeycomb wax.
honeycomb.
Yes. As you can see in the picture also the layer of
Which you can eat also.
yes, so
No
these
problem
both
on
are
that.
edible. And this is carnivore wax. Talking
Okay.
about paraffin wax, this is colorless and odorless. It is used for keeping materials fresh and can be washed away by water easily.
Okay.
Talking about carnauba wax, it comes from carnauba leaves. It is used for coating hard cheese. So hard cheese आप देखते हैं अमूल वाली,
Okay,
उसके ऊपर
हाँ.
एक glaze आपको दिखता है,
Okay.
वो carnauba wax. ठीक है. And moving up ahead, it is also known as the queen of wax.
Okay.
But we use paraffin.
Yesterday, after briefing your project, you have given the 3 challenges to us. First challenge is the cleaning process, and second challenge is the damage level on the upper surface of that block, and third challenge is an alternative material which was used instead of masks, sir. Challenge 1 is to how to avoid the clogging. In clogging process, there are 3 problems in that clogging.
Describe your objective of the project. Why this particular project has been chosen?
So we have our problem statement is used to use the COVID waste in an effective manner, sir. So we have applied the mask in the paver block, sir. It is a permeable paver block, sir. It will penetrate the water and recharge the groundwater level.
How much is the weight?
7 kg, sir.
7 kg.
Yes, sir. It is made by the geopolymer, sir. Instead of cement, we have used geopolymer.
What's the idea? Why you have come for this idea?
So because the normal paver block will not penetrate the groundwater and recharge the groundwater, sir. If this is used in that urbanized region, it will absorb the water and recharge the groundwater level.
Nowadays, from children to adults, they are using masks on daily basis. Annually, 42 million tons of COVID waste are generated. Due to this, soil pollution and water pollution increases. We use mask in this mixture. From where we get mask means we get mask from compost yard, dumping yard, or from municipalities. After that, we will sanitize the mask and we will cut the mask into 3 to 5 mm size and we will add into the mixture. This block it can be easily aligned and this does not require a plastering process as it is a finished product. This does not require a skilled labor as it can normal people can also construct this. This brick can also used in earthwork places by providing extra rods in the gaps of the buildings so it can resist the earthwork and
Sir, what is the opinion about the food?
I am so well. We are because we are basically from the south background. Most probably we are going to use the rice and curd and also that is a sambar. But here every day we are going to use there is a varieties of food. The first day we will receive the idli and sambar and samosa. It is new for us. Then once again I will use the chapati. Like that fashion. Then one of the special food I will remember that one. That is the dokla. Dokla rarely till now I didn't taste that one, but now I will taste that one. Then I will give the out of out. That means 10 out of 10 I will give the. That is the tasty and that is the serve and the hospitality. I really enjoy the food, sir.